So the review goes like this. So this is a project introduction. The client is Pixel Force, and the project is an employee training management system. This project, for internal purpose, we have named it as Rainbow Cruise, and the platform we have used for implementation of the project is Ruby on Rails, and the server database we have used is SQLite. And this is the team that has involved in developing the project under the supervision of Ruxoison, our client. My name is Aditya Kala, and this is the rest of my team. So as mentioned earlier, the versions that are used are language is Ruby, which is 2.6.3, and framework is Rails framework for Ruby, that is 6.0, and the database version is SQLite 3. So a little bit about Rails. Rails is a framework for Ruby for developing web applications, and Rails follows the MVC model for developing the applications. M stands for model, V stands for view, C stands for controller. This MVC model will be used to create the applications very quickly and effectively with all the features and flexibility. The main features of the project are: this is aimed at training an employees or of an organization, which means the access to the system is restricted to all general public, and it only is open within the authentication or criteria. So there is a new user setup module wherein employees would be able to add themselves into the system, and it will be reviewed at the back end. There is a learning module. This learning module will allow the employee to learn content that has been set up by the training team, and the quiz module will help the employee to do the quizzes based on the learnings that they have done in the learning module. The admin and HR module, wherein the admin will manage the entire project, entire system, and the HR module will be used to manage the users and content. This code review has been done in reviewing the following components: coding structure, styling and commenting, consistency, variable usage, and error handling. The coding structure has been followed while developing the project, and a structure, as you can see, is maintained throughout the project with a good commenting and good styling and good indentation in the project. Also, this has been followed throughout the project, maintaining the consistency among the project. This helps to maintain the code clutter-free, and it will be easy to add any new feature and maintain the code later on. As I have showed you, the styling and commenting were also be followed, and the consistency has been maintained. Now coming to the variables and usage of the variables. Since we have many people working on the project, we have decided on following a similar variable naming convention so that it would be easy to add the project and merge all the projects together. And as you can see, the naming convention is pretty unique among all throughout the project, and it is easy to do it. Coming to error handling, the error has been handled using validation and error log messages within the project and to the user as well if he is making any mistake. A quick demonstration of this is here. This is the project sign up page wherein a new user is trying to log in, sign up himself, and when he tries, there are errors shown here stating the errors to the user, and the error keeps on changing with the specific action of the user. And once it's done, so it keeps on changing as soon as there is a change in user actions, and always giving the user what to do which will create a ease of use the system. There are few commented code in the project. This comments needs to be removed as it creates it has taken a lot of space in the project. Also it creates a little bit clutter in the project file as well. So this needs to be addressed first in order to make the project look more clean and more professional. So this is my code review. I am Adityanath Kala from University of Adelaide, Group PG 11. Thank you.